Oh, hello. Oh, no, I've just gone to the moon. Oh, no, wait. I've been to the moon. No, or is it gone? Hi, I'm Damien, the English sledgehammer that smashes down language barriers. In this series, we look at annoying grammar questions and I try to answer them in 2 minutes or less. And to keep it really simple, I use some Lego. Today, we're looking at the present perfect of go, which includes gone and been. Start the clock. To go is a special verb that has 2 past participles, gone and been. So what's the difference? Gone is all about going, but not returning. Well, been is going and returning. It's a complete event.
Let's get some Lego.
How's Gary? He's gone to the zoo. Oh, really? When does he get back? Never. A lion ate him. Ah, stop eating me! How's John?
He's been to the US.
When did he get back?
1 week ago. But he's still in quarantine.
Let me out! Please.
To sum up, gone means you haven't come back. Where's Jack? He's not in his room. He's gone to the cinema. Well, been is a complete event. Where's Jack? He's in his room. He's been to the cinema. Easy, right? But here's a special tip to remember. If you find yourself using have gone, just check yourself again, because a lot of the time students make mistakes in using have gone. So just check that you've actually haven't returned already, because that means you should use have been. Also, remember, practice is really important. So in the comments, write a sentence using have gone and have been. Subscribe, ring the bell, like, or don't like if you want to be eaten by a lion. And remember, start smashing language barriers today. See you next time.